Hi there, I'm Meyer-Ingham, Associate Broker with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Utah Properties, and I'm here today at 1530 South Indian Hills Drive, my newest listing. This is a wow house coming in at just under 11,000 square feet. This house is jam-packed with luxury amenities. I can't wait to show it to you. Located in the vibrant St. Mary's neighborhood, this house is well known in the area not only for its impressive city, mountain, and valley views, but a host of luxury amenities. Set high on the east bench of Salt Lake City, this cool contemporary offers an impressive open floor plan presenting just under 11,000 square feet and the right amenities for the perennial entertainer. Family and guests alike will be dazzled by nightly sunsets from the back deck, adjacent to the recently renovated kitchen with high-end appliances, plenty of counter space, and 2 walk-in pantries. The adjoining great room features a unique fireplace, one of 4 in the house, and a beautiful maple bar with built-in beverage cooler. The spacious living areas are balanced by intimate spaces for relaxation and are part of what makes this house truly exceptional. Step in through glass entry doors, framing the floor-to-ceiling windows and the impressive views from a cool sunken living room and adjoining dining room. The master suite features expansive windows, allowing for breathtaking views each morning, a spa-like bathroom, and his and hers closets that offer the ultimate in luxury. The lower level boasts the fun aspects of the house, accessible by a firepole from main floor to lower level, or a staircase where you will delight in super cool amenities like an indoor saltwater pool with built-in hot tub, a gym with another spa-like bathroom with steam shower, a firing range, a conversation pit with barbecue, which gives off the original 1970s vibe. The lower level family room has a secondary kitchen with bar seating, space for the pool table, and projection television for your weekend streaming. There are 4 additional guest or resident bedrooms, which complete the lower level, ensuring that every resident and visitor alike experience the height of fun, comfort, and style. Car enthusiasts will delight in a newly refreshed 4-car garage with wooden lockers and a workbench. Hallway cubbies and an expansive mudroom allow you to store your gear after a day of hiking the nearby foothills or a day on the slopes. There is laundry on both levels and 2 offices, one of which is a lovely perch on the top level with abundant windows letting in natural light. Freeway access is a snap to world-class skiing and the Salt Lake City International Airport and downtown, which are less than 15 minutes away. Excellent public and private school choices, Research Park, and the University of Utah are just moments from home. Recent upgrades include new flooring, refreshed paint, new window coverings, and updated landscaping. Come relish in the abundant amenities of 1530 South Indian Hills Drive. You will not want to miss seeing this one in person. Your invitation awaits. I hope you enjoyed touring this beautiful house, but you're going to want to see it in person. So reach out to me to schedule your personal tour or additional details that you might need. Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you.